Tired of your website looking like everyone else's with that long, generic Wix address? Let's break down exactly how you can technically add a domain to your Wix site for free, understand the limitations, and see why upgrading might be the best move for your brand. First, let's be clear, Wix doesn't truly offer a completely free custom domain connection. What you can do is use the free Wix subdomain. This looks something like username Wixadom. Name to set this up, simply create your Wix account and build your website. Wix automatically assigns you this free subdomain. To find it and potentially customize the sitname portion before you publish, go to your Wix dashboard, look for the Connect a Domain button, or the option to publish your site. You'll see your free Wix subdomain there. Remember, you can change the sitname part before you publish, so make it relevant. Now, the catch: this free option isn't ideal for branding. It's less professional and harder to remember than a custom domain like your brand. Plus, you don't truly own the domain. A custom domain adds credibility, boosts your SEO, and makes your website easier to share. That's why investing in a paid domain connection from Wix or a third-party provider like GoDaddy or Namecheap is almost always the better long-term strategy. So, while Wix offers a free way to get your site online, it's crucial to weigh the limitations against the branding benefits of a custom domain. Choose wisely for the best online presence. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tips.